Hey, what is going on YouTube? This is the Gaming Guy, and today we're bringing to an unboxing of Supreme steals, pretty much, and one item from week 10, I think it is. So yeah, what should we start with? There's like layer things. So.
Just start from the top and go to the bottom.
Alright. So this is week 10, or I think it's week 10. It should be the Zippo. I hate these packages. Oh, are you joking? Quite cool. But don't. Okay, that's brilliant. No, don't do that. Who does that? No.
No. It's cool.
Yeah.
Congratulations on your purchase of this quality Zippo product.
It better focus. Don't focus on your face or my fingers. There we go. Zippo. Do you want to open one?
Okay.
Pick a package note. That should be Spring Summer 13. That should be a Spring Summer 13 piece.
Needs a wash. It's
Needs
nice
a wash, definitely.
Just the one for 30 quid.
Yeah.
Bargain.
Would you stew?
Oh, it's fine. There you go.
Right, Spring Summer 13, I believe this is, this piece, or Fall Winter 13. It's from 2013, pretty much.
Little embroidered
S logo, which they did a lot for pieces from 2012 to 2013.
It's
so
cool.
Yeah, it's more blue than navy, but he's going to try it on clearly.
Model it.
And obviously he is now wearing the White Castle tee because I traded the black one for the white one.
I like it. It's quite a nice fit. 30 quid, can't go wrong.
50.
Sell it on your Depop.
Yeah, at some point during summer I'll clear things out.
That's funny, I thought I broke the zip.
Yes, it's hilarious. But yeah, that definitely needs a clean. Just the sleeve and bit.
Just chuck it in the wash, but it vanished then.
Okay, next package. So yeah, obviously these are all Supreme steals or good prices on pieces, so... What is this?
What's that? Brooklyn box logo?
Oh yeah, Dan, of course, 30 quid, yeah. Oh no, this is a, wait, is it? Oh no, this is different. So this...
Oh, Merry Christmas tea.
No,
I linked
this,
this, didn't I?
No, this isn't the one that you linked me.
That's good condition.
I found another one for cheaper.
How much?
30 all in.
It's good.
So yeah, this is the 2015 Merry Christmas tea, which there should be another one here. I think I'm missing a package possibly. There should be another one here. This was cheaper than the one that my brother linked me. And yeah, there's not much else to say except it's there. And on the back it says December 2015. Yeah, it's in good condition, so
Next.
it's worth buying. Yeah, next question. Ah, okay, I know what this one is. I've wanted this piece for quite a while, and when I saw it, I had to get it.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Come and get some.
Yeah. The print is a bit cracked, but oh well. I like it.
It's cool. What's it from?
I have no idea.
Come and get some. Supreme.
But yeah, I saw it and I thought I've wanted that one for a while.
How much was that?
35?
Not bad.
That's why they're all steals. Alright, next one. Is this family one? Leave that one till last. Oh no, this is the other thing. I think I'm definitely missing a piece. So this, again, another steal.
This is what I linked you.
That Dan linked me. Again,
30 quid
30
again.
quid again. And yeah, it is an NFL or football jersey. Why does it look so small?
It's
Was
tiny.
that me? Why
No,
is it
it's
so tiny?
Wait, is it real?
Is that real or not?
This must be old. Made in Bangladesh.
Don't say that.
This is made in Bangladesh. Oh,
I've never seen Made in Bangladesh, Daniel, for Supreme, so... Right, last two pieces that aren't fake, possibly. Right. Oh, they even sent the box there.
Supreme used to be sourced in Bangladesh.
According to who?
No, it didn't.
No, exactly. Okay.
Merry Christmas tea again?
Merry Christmas tea. I'm missing a tea, 100%.
How much was this?
This was the one that you sent. Jesus Christ, Daniel.
Bit faded.
Compared to the other one, so this one has a tear here and some small stains at the bottom.
And you paid more for that?
And it was more expensive than the other one that I picked up and bought. And this one was sent from Dan. But, oh well, 2 Merry Christmas teas, so.
And finally?
Don't do that. No. Right, last package. I meant to just do that. Well.
This is painful to watch. Considering you do a lot of unboxes, you're still not getting any good at it.
Thank you. Right, these are 2 Zines. Oh look, even stickers. Oh, and he sent a sticker with it as well.
Akira.
Or Acura.
It's got a box logo.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
I haven't got that one. Alright. So, the first is the Iraqi for Supreme, which came out in 2016. That's cool.
What are they?
They're Zines.
What's that mean?
Zines.
Oh look, it's ducklings.
So, if you don't know, a Zine is basically what?
Is it cardboard?
No, it's like a booklet. Like
Oh.
thing. So Supreme have them, or they release them when they either open a new store, or when they have some certain collaborations or things with artists.
So
or
what's in the
people.
booklet?
Or a bunch of...
You don't know?
I do, because I've seen it already.
Did that even release?
But yeah,
How do you get a Zine?
you buy them at the store.
How much was that?
These together are 30 quid.
Oh,
What?
you put it in the wrong way.
What do you mean I put it in the wrong
No,
way?
the page is bent over. That's it.
Right. So there's the Iraqi one. And this one is the Paris.
The
Oh,
Iraqi.
It is Iraqi.
What, you from Iraq?
Look.
Oh. It
How do you pronounce
sounded
it?
like it said Iraqi soldier.
Ah. This one is from the Paris store
Yeah, that's cool.
opening. So yeah, now I've got both of them. God. Anyway, that is going to cover this unboxing. I've run out of footage.
Is it stopped?
No. So that is going to finish this unboxing. If you enjoyed, like, much appreciated. Other than that, there were some ups, there were some downs.
If it doesn't fit me, it's got to be fake.
How does that fit? It's like midget size when I hold it. I don't know. Anyway.
Just walk off.
Yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you all next time. Peace.
Anyway, I'm off.
This one isn't. Yeah, I'm missing a T. T hasn't arrived.
What tea?
You know this, like the Mirage one. Okay, it's the simultaneous. Just a clap. Okay. Well, ready.
Yeah.
So 3, 2, 1.